Let me see.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. LadyTee here. To my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, thank you for your love and support. To my new subscribers, you guys, thank you for tuning in today. I hope you love this video. So today we visited Santa Cruz Beach in Lekki. Nice, it was open. People were welcoming. The adults had to pay to go in, but we took our own food with us, our drink, everything we needed, we took it with us, and it was really nice. The kids had so much time. You can see families, people came out there to chill, and you know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Here, Chebe and his uncle are picking shells. It was the shells are really cute, and there are other people there too that were picking up those shells.
Guys, we got some shells.
Yeah, Chebe was helping out. He was helping to hold the shell, and then he passed it down to me. Look at that! It's so cute. The shells look so cute.
That's what that guy is selling for how much?
Picked up one as well. Yay! Yeah, Chebe loved to ride horse. We eventually put him on the Rust ride, and also Zikora and their cousins also rode a horse. Yeah, it's really nice on this beach, you guys. If you're in Lekki, be sure to visit Santa Cruz Beach. You'll like it.
Hey, mama. You gotta go cry.
And Chebe and Zikora did and rode together. They really had fun. Look at the sun. When Zikora finished riding the house, and she gave us a little dance. She loves to dance.
Hey, that's what I want to do now.
We were trying to do backflip or somersault. I can't even remember which one it was, but it was something. My niece and I did this flipping thing. Yeah. It was really nice.
Wait now, calm down.
Yeah, we tried it again. Yeah. Chebe loves water. I hope he learns how to swim someday. He loves to play with water. Look at him. He was having massive fun. He loved it. The next day he was like, Mommy, I want to go to the beach. Mommy, I want to go play with water. It's a beautiful view. Guys, can you see that? It's so beautiful. Yes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the short vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. And you guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys